How to find and cancel subscriptions with Rocket Money. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to find and cancel subscriptions with Rocket Money, you first need to link your bank account so the app's algorithm can analyze your transaction history and identify recurring charges. What you need is log into your Rocket Money account on your mobile device or through a web browser. From the home page, you want to navigate to Settings or Recurring. Just select the Recurring tab located at the bottom of the mobile screen or the left sidebar on the website, and there you just have to make sure to select View All. Just tap on All heading to see a complete list of your active and upcoming subscriptions and billing. There you want to make sure to scroll to the bottom of a recurring tab to check for inactive subscriptions that haven't had a detected payment in the last month. If a subscription is missing, you can add it manually if the payment method like a check isn't linked, and Rocket Money offers two ways to cancel depending on your membership level. Locate the subscriptions in a recurring tab and tap onto the three dot next to it and select Cancel. And that's how you're supposed to find and cancel subscriptions with Rocket Money. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.